Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, back again with another 2024 Acura Integra video. And one thing I want to talk about that you may not have thought about if you're shopping for vehicles, especially similar vehicles from other manufacturers. These tires, they are 235/40 R18. And when you go to the rear of the vehicle, you will find 235/40 R18. The value add of that is that you've got 4 of a kind. So when you're shopping for tire replacement, typically one will find better discounts if they're buying 4 tires instead of 2. Now, I don't want to misquote, so I'm going to post a link within this video's description, but expand this video's description and click the link there, and you can find tires like these for the Acura Integra. And I think you'll find they're not that expensive. I mean, everything has continued to go up in price, but if you price shop tire replacement cost for the Acura Integra versus, say, a BMW or something along those lines, you're probably going to find that the cost of ownership is radically less. Also, these are not run flat tires. I hate run flat tires. I've owned several BMWs that had run flats. They don't last long, and when they start to wear out, they make a lot of noise, and then they're super expensive to replace. So these are the tires for the 2024 Acura Integra. And again, expand this video's description and click the link there, and you can find various options, different manufacturers, different price points, linked within this video's description. Thanks for your viewership, and just trying to save everybody a buck, man. You know, if you can, when you shop around for a vehicle, it's not just the vehicle. You know, you're also purchasing or leasing that routine maintenance, and part of that is tires. Tell me what you think in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Iric Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.